Looking for a way to enhance your entertainment experience while earning money at the same time? Look no further. In this video, I will show you a revolutionary platform that brings you diverse and rich entertainment content, all while giving you the opportunity to earn some extra cash. Imagine enjoying your favorite entertainment content, all within the immersive ecosystem. With its wide range of entertainment options, you'll never run out of things to watch or listen to. But here's the best part. Every time you engage with the content, you also earn money. Your sensory experiences will be taken to new heights. And by actively participating in this incredible ecosystem, you're not only enjoying top-notch entertainment, but also contributing to its growth and success. So why settle for passive entertainment when you can be part of something bigger? Join us in this video as we delve and show you how it can transform your entertainment habits into a rewarding experience. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn money while immersing yourself in a world of captivating content. Get ready to elevate your sensory experiences. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. And if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. Now let's get started. Turn your news addiction into a rewarding experience with CapShort, a revolutionary app that allows you to earn exciting rewards simply by reading the news. You can make every minute spent reading news count and turn it into something truly valuable. CapShort is a mobile social feed application that combines blockchain technology and multi-sensory experiences to apply the features of this ecosystem to give people access and use better technology. In the ecosystem, users will be able to participate in activities in the ecosystem such as learning, reading news, playing mini-games, or other activities to earn rewards. CapShort is a digital app where people from all over the world come together to enjoy topics or content that interest them. Then they can join to create, earn, and have fun. To begin your exploration, start at home, discover, and enrich myriads of digital content worldwide. Join the event every day from the CapShort app to be entertained and get exciting and valuable rewards every day. Enjoy the diverse and rich entertainment content provided by the CapShort system, thereby helping you have better sensory experiences in the ecosystem. Anyone who is over the age of 13 is welcome to join CapShort. The contents of the app will be presented in an age-appropriate manner. CapShort system offers a unique opportunity to not only indulge in an array of diverse and rich entertainment content, but also earn money while doing so. Start earning money while enjoying the best entertainment with CapShort. Join the community now and unlock a whole new level of sensory experiences. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.